So I'm going to make a quick white chocolate ganache because I'm going to need something which doesn't contain gluten and it's very quick and easy to make. The best choice to go for, I thought it would be a chocolate mousse, and I'm going to start with a chocolate ganache and then transform that into a chocolate mousse. So I'm just going to scale some chocolate callets, and to make it quick, what I'm going to do, I will just melt the chocolate callets a little bit. So I've got here like 300 grams of chocolate, which I'm going to pour in the pop in the microwave 30 seconds. And then I'm going to scale in here about 200 grams of double cream. Didn't, just a little bit over, but that's fine. And that's going to go in the microwave as well. Really what I want is just to melt the chocolates. But obviously at this point they are not melted, they are just a little bit softened. But the glass bowl makes them to melt quicker, so I might be okay by just warming up maybe just 1 or 2 more times, 30 seconds at one time. And then after doing the melting the chocolate, the white chocolate, I'm going to warm up the double cream because I want to get this ganache set a bit quicker, which means if I don't pour a hot cream, I don't end up detempering the chocolate. So the chocolate ganache will crystallize quicker. But in order for me to get that effect, I have to make sure that I don't exceed about 30 degrees in temperatures. So just aiming to melt my chocolates, but without going over 30 degrees. And that's going to be fine for now. So I'm going to put my double cream in the microwave. And obviously with my double cream, I can go more than 30 seconds. So I've put that at 2 minutes. I'm just going to pour that over my callets. And all I wanted to get is like a quick to set ganache. Just trying to stir, because stirring will just help the callets to melt. As the ball is still warm. And the callets will just borrow that temperature and they will melt. So it's often when you end up with a overheated chocolate just because you keep putting the chocolate in the microwave. It requires just a little bit of heat to melt. Especially if you use a glass bowl. Just going to get the double cream. That feels actually a little bit warmer than 30. It should be okay. And I'm just going to create that emulsion. Great. Obviously you can use a hand blender if you want to. I'm just going to do it by hand. But as you can see, it's all my chocolate is fully melted. And now all I have to do is just to literally wait for this ganache to cool. If, for example, you're in a rush to build a cake, but you can afford to keep the cake in the fridge or freezer for a little bit longer, then you don't have to worry too much about waiting for the ganache to crystallize. You can mix it with double cream, make some mousse, put it in the fridge, freezer, and leave it overnight, and then it will all set. But if you've got time to allow the ganache to crystallize first and then use it to make the mousse, that's also great. Okay, so just going to leave it to cool.